Okay, so g'day and welcome back to Good Mondays Coins and Banknotes, and in today's video we are just going to look for some errors in these 2010 50-cent coins. So I'm not too sure if I made a video about 50-cent coins of this date before. So basically this is a very common coin and these ones are all high grade. If I get a coin that is less than this condition, I am just going to throw it back. Okay, so the first coin looks like it has cards on it. So these are known to have cards, but what we're looking for the rotation is the rotation error. So I don't think I have a rotation error, but just as an example, when you flip these coins around, this will be this coin facing up, and when you turn it around, the date should be down below. So that's what the rotation would look like. So when you flip it around, obviously this is normal. So when you turn it around, it ends up like that. But this coin here, and that one costs about 50 bucks. In this condition, probably costs at least 100. But I can see that this one has so we've got cards there, and we have a card up the top. So obviously, there is. I saw an eBay listing for 15 bucks for 8 cards. Hasn't sold, but obviously this is also known. So this could get worse depending on if they kept on using the die and it broken. And it broke off a bit more. Okay. But as for the rotation, well, a coin die produces about 200, 300,000 coins. So if the rotation was just caused by the one die, then that's how many of them would have been produced. Or maybe they realized that it was a rotation, they took the die out and put it in the same way, so that could be less. Or maybe the worker was just a bit confused and put a few dies in that had the rotation, so it could be a bit more. So we're not too sure. But that's a card, so if you're into cards and stuff like that, minor errors, then you should, that one is a good one. But it'll probably make the coin just a little bit more than face value. But we'll just see if there's any more cards on these coins. Okay, that one doesn't have any cards. Also look for anything else like dots and whatever else. Die cracks. Although die cracks are not too common on these decimal coins. So rotate it and nothing. Also look for cards and that on this side. So basically this one's circulated. So this one I would just throw back in the circulation. Unless it has cards, obviously it's not rotated. Yeah, it's going back in circulation. This one, yeah, quite good. Let's have card down below. Looks like they've got damage on the 5. And yeah, up the top it looks like it might be the start of the card, so the die start to break. So I'm looking over roughly there. But really nothing special on this coin. Is it a rotated? Nope. Okay, the next one. Yeah, looks like the start of the card as well. And yeah, but nothing really special. Is it rotated? Nah. Okay, this one. Obviously I've got a few and I've kept these from circulation. Alright, so we still have the cards there. And we have the card there. So maybe all these coins would be from the same die, just at different time periods. And not a rotated coin. It's got damage on the rim, which does decrease the value. Anyway, so it's another card. This one, does it have cards on it? Yeah, no, nothing on that. And not a rotated coin. Also, sometimes there's double bars on different dates. Most of those are in sets. You know, you got the 1979, 1980, but I wouldn't discount double bars being on other coins. Okay, and the last one I have is pretty uncirculated. Okay, obviously not a rotated coin. So obviously I've never actually seen in my hand a rotated coin, but I do have these two coins with cuds on it. The cuds, they're in the same place. So obviously these two are from the same die, so die pairing. That's what I'd like to do with ancient coins. So like these Western Kashapanas, they like to do die pairing. So try and get the same dies, because the dies are different, the engraving is different, so they like to pair them up. And it's a challenge because most of the time you can't. But these ones, because these are engraved from a master die, the only die pairing you're going to get is from cuds or any die cracks or anything like that. So from just standard coins, you're not really going to find anything like that. Anyway, no dots, nothing like that, just die cracks. Anyway, I hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Just remember, you can find lots of error coins in circulation. Most of them are minor, some are pretty extensive, but you need to look and have fun while you're doing it. Anyway, thank you very much. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time.